Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, we're showing you how to transfer from P2P to spot in Binance. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up the Binance app. And once you're in here, just go ahead over to the bottom right, tap on your assets, okay? And then what you do, if you're under overview, just tap on funding. As funding, this is where your P2P funding is located, okay? So what you got to do next is just go ahead and tap on the button transfer, okay? So tap on it. Now it says here from where? Of course, funding. This is P2P to where? Of course, spot wallet. Okay. Now select the coin right here. Tap on drop down. Let's say I have Dusk. I would like to transfer my Dusk, okay, to my spot wallet. Well, I'm going to max it out. And then once that's done, just tap on confirm transfer. Follow simple prompts. And after that, you're good to go. That is how easy it is to transfer from P2P to spot here in Binance. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.